Hello and welcome to this course on managing Microsoft 365 organization messaging settings. My name is Russell Smith and I'm an independent IT consultant, trainer and author. Microsoft 365 is a managed cloud service that delivers Office apps, Windows 10 and Office backend services like Exchange Online. In this course, we'll look at how Microsoft 365 delivers messaging using Exchange Online and how to configure coexistence with on-premises Exchange Server to create a hybrid deployment. I will then show you how to control who users can share their calendar-free busy information with, and we'll look at the difference between sharing and publishing calendars. Later in the course, we'll look at managing user email addresses and creating and managing access to address lists and address books. The course concludes with a practical guide on configuring workload management in Exchange Server. But before starting, you should understand the basics of how email and Outlook work, like the SMTP protocol, address books and calendars. Experience with on-premises Exchange Server is also a plus. I hope you join me on this journey in discovering how to manage Exchange Online messaging settings and hybrid deployments with Exchange Server.